okay. We got, yeah, a nice little hole in the ceiling there.
Yeah, that's where the bad spot is. That's where it ties in right there.
Yeah.
And it in the valley right there, it started leaking for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah, shingles, they come off over time.
That's right. And anything else you see in here. That's a great desk if somebody wanted it.
Yeah, it's a nice little desk.
It's a real nice desk. It's all solid oak. If you look at the way the ends are, the way they've been dovetailed,
yeah, real wood, not some of that particle board crap they make out of today. I do have the lights on. Yeah, I can definitely see some damage on that wall, probably from the window.
Yeah, probably so. And nobody living in it. Everything goes downhill when nobody lives in it.
That's true. These things stay empty for more than 10 minutes. They start to go downhill fast.
That's right. But it has been good storage.
Yeah. Yeah, I can tell.
I keep all this. I ain't got nothing. But these cabinets right here,
yeah.
I ain't got no need for anything. I got a need for them, but I ain't know where to put them.
Okay, and we got the other bedroom in here. Yeah, I don't really see any issues in this room. Yeah.
Well, it's been used a couple times. I tell people, get you back in a bucket of water and go in there.
Yeah. It looks like a tree limb or something may have hit the outside wall.
No, it's just
water damage.
Loose and buckled out.
Yeah.
Like out there.
Yeah.
There, that over there, and this over here, and then this here had a rotten spot. Well, it wasn't rotten. It was water damage to the side, and I took it off years ago and replaced it with plywood, which it's probably got water damage all on it now too.
Ooh, soft spot right here.
Soft spot in there. Be careful.
Okay.
They're on the outlaw particle board.
Yeah, they should. Just about every single one of these houses we've ever bought has been made of that particle board, and we've had to replace nice chunks of it.
And you can't even buy 3/4 inch plywood no more.
Well, you can, but you're going to be paying a lot for it. I think it's come down to like $30 a sheet now.
Wow, that's high.
Yeah. But it was like $50, $60 a sheet for non-pressure treated.
If you know anybody interested in antique boat motors, I'm going to get rid of them too.
I'll ask.
I mean, they work $10, $20 a piece, I would think.
Yeah.
I have a few more than that too.
Oh, okay. We got some floor issues in here too.
Yeah, probably needs a floor in the whole house.
Yeah, well, looks like this whole room needs to be replaced.
Yep.
And of course, you got the vine intrusion.
If it was mine, if I was gonna redo it, I'd just gut it. Do the outside, then come in here and gut the inside.
Yeah.
Put it back like I want it.
Well, the inside's not terrible except for a few spots here and there. The subfloor, well, that's pretty much standard for these old houses like that. But also notice the siding out here. Yeah. Let me take a walk around and have a better look at the siding and avoid all the cobwebs. See all the vines that are growing up. And then we have this where the Masonite's separating.
I'll put this fork on there.
Yeah.
And I'll I've never dealt with all those before.
Yeah.
You know, I ain't had one crooked piece or bad piece of wood from new people.
Yeah, the porch looks like it's in good shape.
Yeah, I reckon you could fix it up where it'd be pretty decent.
Yeah, it's still usable. I mean,
Yeah.
there's a few spots that needs to
What
be
would you
replaced.
do? Would you cut it off and put it back on?
The porch?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Oh, that?